Can I wash my hands faster and cleaner? Challenge accepted. Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if I can do it. Problem: messy soap pumps slow me down every morning. Soap everywhere, sticky bottles, wasted time. So frustrating. But today, I'm testing the PZOTRUF Automatic Soap Dispenser. Goal: clean hands, zero mess under 10 seconds. Here's the challenge: manual pump versus PZOTRUF Touchless. Left hand, old pump. Right hand, PZOTRUF dispenser. Ready? Timer set, let's go. Manual pump. Press, wait, soap drips, bottle slips. Struggling to get enough soap, sticky hands already. Now PZOTRUF, just wave my hand underneath. Instant soap. No touching, no waiting, no mess. The infrared sensor reacts in a split second. 5 adjustable levels. Choose exactly how much soap. Large 17-oz tank, no refilling every week. Look at this. Hands stay clean, dispenser stays spotless. Manual pump. Soap all over the counter, bottle sticky. PZOTRUF. Counter is clean, hands are washed, I'm done. Manual pump took 15 seconds. Mess everywhere. PZOTRUF finished in just 7 seconds, zero mess. Facial reaction. Wow, that was so much faster. No more fighting with slippery bottles every morning. No more wasted soap or cleaning up spills. Just wave and wash. Hygienic, fast, and easy. Perfect for busy mornings and after-school rushes. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, anywhere you need hygiene. Kids love it. No excuses for skipping hand washing. The stainless steel design looks sleek and modern. IPX4 waterproof. Safe for bathroom or kitchen sinks. Compatible with all liquid soaps and sanitizers. No touch means fewer germs spread around. Adjust the soap volume for kids or adults easily. Refill in seconds. Transparent tank shows when it's low. No batteries? Just pop them in. Easy access panel. No leaks, no drips, no wasted soap. Even in high traffic areas, it keeps up effortlessly. Perfect for homes, schools, offices, hospitals, hotels. I'm never going back to old soap pumps again. No more sticky bottles or messy countertops. No more arguing with kids about washing hands. Just wave, wash, and go. So simple. Set it up in minutes. Works right out of the box. Sleek silver finish matches any modern decor. Save time, save soap, save your sanity. Everyone in the family can use it easily. No more cross-contamination from dirty hands. Keep your family healthy and your home spotless. I'm obsessed with how clean my sink area stays. No more daily cleanup of soap puddles. If you hate mess, you need this dispenser. If you're busy, you'll love how fast it is. If you care about hygiene, it's a must-have. Even guests will be impressed by the touchless design. It's the smart upgrade your bathroom or kitchen needs. Ready to ditch your old soap pump for good? Try the PZOTRUF Automatic Soap Dispenser today. Available now on Amazon. Free delivery eligible. Order yours and experience hands-free hygiene. Don't wait, these sell out fast. Click the link, add to cart, and upgrade now. Challenge complete. PZOTRUF wins for speed and cleanliness. Facial reaction. Seriously, this is a game changer. No more excuses for not washing your hands. Make your home safer and cleaner instantly. Perfect for families, offices, anyone who values hygiene. PZOTRUF, clean hands, happy life, zero mess. Take the challenge yourself. See the difference. Upgrade your hygiene routine with PZOTRUF today. Don't miss out. Order now and level up your clean. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.